everyone, welcome back to my channel where science beats by Akansha, and here I am yet again describing about another interesting research. Heart failure looks like a mechanical problem. The heart gets bigger, it pumps less efficiently, and over time it begins to struggle. But deep inside the heart cells, something else is happening. The genes are being reprogrammed, and sometimes a single gene can change how the entire heart behaves. One of the genes scientists study in the heart is called KLF15, Kruppel-like factor 15. KLF15 is a transcriptional factor, which means it controls which other genes are getting turned on or off. Previous studies show that KLF15 helps protect the heart from excessive growth during stress, a process which is known as cardiac hypertrophy. But researchers begin to suspect that KLF15 might also influence a major signaling system which is known as WNT pathway. So, the researchers ask a simple question: what will happen to the heart if KLF15 disappears? Does removing this regulator change how heart cells behave? To test this, scientists studied mice which were genetically engineered without the KLF15 gene. They then examined the heart using gene expression analysis and molecular imaging. This allowed them to see which pathways were more active when KLF15 was missing. What they found was surprising. When KLF15 was absent, WNT signaling pathway became strongly activated in the heart. This activation increased the levels of a gene called SHeSA3, which regulates WNT signaling. And this change affected both heart muscle cells and blood vessel cells. In other words, removing one regulator triggered a cascade of genetic changes across the heart. This study highlights something really important. Heart disease isn't just about damaged tissues, it's also about how the cells were genetically reprogrammed during the stress. And understanding regulators like KLF15 may help the scientists discover new ways to control how the heart responds to the injury. The heart may look simple from the outside, but inside every cell, thousands of genetic signals are constantly shaping how it works. And scientists are slowly learning how to read them. If you like this study, you can refer the paper or find the link below in the description box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll be here again with another interesting story. Thank you.